So in terms of skincare, this may sound a little weird.
It's kind of a weird skincare hack that my mom swears by.
This is really weird.
I think it will sound really unusual for you. It's a sour cream, cocoa butter.
Baby powder.
It's Vaseline around your eyes.
You gotta get those hands and elbows, especially in the winter.
My mom usually will crack an egg and use the egg whites and rub it on her face along with like mixed honey. So egg yolk combined with honey. Just break into little pieces like the outside of the egg. Just ground it and mix it up with lotion.
So my sister and we will put toothpaste on our little bumps.
My sister would put toothpaste to treat her acne.
To kind of get rid of all the crow's feet.
To get rid of this red, purple color on our skin.
I mean, I don't think a lot of people think that eggs would be something that you would put on your face.
And it really works.
I'm like, so this is why they told me that.
It didn't really work.
And I just find it gross.